Today we got a video from behind the mugshot, and the title of the video is "She went from calm to losing it in seconds."
Are you pregnant?
I am trying to. I love my attorney!
Okay, so the reason I'm stopping you is when you're coming down 22nd Street, you were weaving, made a big right-hand turn, and you rode the whole way down, right down the middle of the road.
Okay.
So what's going on with that?
I'm sorry, I was just focused on getting back to Reservoir.
Hey, do me a favor, step out and talk to me for a second, please.
The address, because he's coming out waiting this down, so I'm in the file that.
How many alcoholic beverages have you had this evening?
I have no more than 2.
No more than 2?
Yes.
Okay. Are, for you personally, are you wine? Are you mixed drink? Are you beer? What do you enjoy? Or what did you enjoy this
So I did have some wine.
Okay.
But I mean, I've had food. Like I definitely don't feel intoxicated. Like,
Okay.
I am very sorry. Like.
Do you have any issues, let's say, parking your car at a grocery store, walking in, going grocery shopping, and
If I
then
don't
coming
have
back
my
out?
glasses on, yes, I do. And I'm not gonna lie to you, like I had one lens in while I was driving because my lens fell out while I was in everything. Like I literally have it in my backpack. Like I can show you. I just set it.
So do you have an issue walking in a straight line or anything like that?
I mean, personally, without my glasses on, I don't know.
I'd like to check your eyes to make sure you're okay to drive. Are you okay with me doing that?
I'm okay with that. And if you don't think I mean, I have like 3 other people in the car. Like I definitely, I seriously like it's seriously hard for me to see. Like the sign over there, I don't have my glasses on. Like I can't see the sign.
Fortunately, by looking at your eyes, it has nothing to do with glasses. In fact, if you were wearing glasses, I would ask you to actually take them off.
Okay.
So, hang on one second. Let me turn off these front strobes, okay?
Okay, yeah.
What I'm going to ask you to do is stand with your feet together, okay? All the way, and your hands down by your side, just like this, all right? Now, what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to hold the pen up, and it's got a light on the end. I would like you to look at that light with your eyes, follow it with your eyes and only your eyes, but don't move your head, okay?
Okay.
Much. All right, do you see the tip of the pen?
Yes.
What color is the tip of the pen?
Red.
Okay, like I said, follow with your eyes, only your eyes, do not move your head.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes. I'm just confused. I've never had this done as like a...
Just go ahead. Just relax. Just blink normally as you need to. Okay, go ahead and relax. Based on what I'm saying, I'm going to ask if you'd be willing to take some additional field sobriety exercises. Field sobriety exercises are a walking turn and a one-leg stand. Are you willing to perform those?
A walking. Okay, so I'm just so confused. Like I was literally just trying to get my debit card.
I understand that.
Can I just be like 1,000% honest with you?
Okay.
If you like, I'm trying to be a mother within the next couple months.
Okay.
If you think I am impaired like
Are you
that,
pregnant?
I am trying to.
But you're not currently pregnant.
It's been a very hard struggle.
I mean, I have a child.
So how does the alcohol help? Does that help? Maybe that helps. I don't know.
And I also have a business on the side. And I do
But
this.
if you think that, like, I don't want this to affect my life, if you think that, then I would literally go rent a hotel room.
I understand that.
Like,
that's why
I don't think I'm impaired like
I'm
that.
trying to give you the opportunity to dispel my concerns.
I think I can dispel your concerns, but
So, would you like to participate in the field sobriety exercises? Are you okay with that?
I'm okay with that.
Okay, come on back over here. All right, ma'am, come on out for me, please.
No, this is necessary for me to be able to drive away.
These are standard exercises, yes.
All right.
Okay, thank you. All right, so we're done with the line. Just come stand right here for me. Okay, this next exercise is the one-leg stand. Okay, feet together. Remain just like this. Don't move from this, okay? If you have no questions and you feel you understand, please begin.
All right. 1019, 1020.
Okay, come on over. Let's put your shoes back on. Based on what I'm seeing,
She did pretty good on the one-leg stand, though.
I'm going to place you under arrest for DUI.
Are you
Definitely
serious?
drunk.
Yes. All right.
Somebody
Hang
that
on.
could
Hang
literally
on. Stop.
pick me up.
I just feel that you are impaired to operate a motor vehicle.
But I have somebody that could
Come on
pick
with
me
me
up
over
if
here.
you feel like that.
I do
Please
feel
don't
like
ruin
that.
my life, man.
Okay. So she's coming to come over here. Let's just step over
Please
in the
don't
car.
ruin my life.
I'm not going to ruin your life.
I have my own business. I'm trying for the family.
Do you have anything on your persons that you have?
Please, seriously, look at me, dude. No, I want to talk to an attorney. Like,
Okay, you can talk to an attorney.
Well, that's good. You got your own business, so you don't have to worry about an employer rejecting you because of your criminal record. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. You your own boss.
I'm going to ask you if you want to submit to a breath test.
no, I
Okay.
don't. This is
Okay, listen to me. I'm going to read you implied consent, okay?
No, I don't consent to anything.
Okay.
This is
Yeah, hear me
I
out.
don't give a No,
Okay.
I don't.
Hear me out. I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath
Nope.
for the purpose of determining its alcohol content.
No.
Will you take the test that I'm requesting of you?
I will not.
If you refuse to take the test that I have requested of you, your driving privileges will be suspended for 1 year for your first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privileges have been previously suspended. Do you understand what I've read to you?
Honestly, no.
Okay, what's your question then, so that I can clarify?
Dude, I don't know. I've never been under arrest.
Okay.
Like, what the
So here's the deal. The state of Florida requires that you submit to a breath test. Now, I can't make you blow
I feel
into
like
the
all
breath
of this
test.
was very unlawful,
So
very
if
uncalled
you
for, like,
if you say no, I've read you
No, I
implied
want to
consent.
call. No, I want to call my attorney
Okay.
like right now.
See, see the way they do the DUIs is so like people feel like. All right, I'm gonna put it like this, right? Most people, I feel like in the world, probably think that you got to do the all the tests and stuff, right? So you go through those motions, right? And then at the end you get screwed because you thinking that, okay, if I do these tests, then I'm gonna go home. but no, you're not going home. You're going to jail. You're just building their case. They already made up their mind. So but after that, it's like now they're gonna ask you to do a test that you have to do. You know what I mean? Like if not, then there's gonna be repercussions. The field sobriety stuff, the one leg stand, the walking, and all of that. You don't have to do those. There's no. If you don't do them, it's not like you're gonna be in trouble. That you're already gonna be arrested. So it's like whatever. But I'm talking about like with your license suspended and different things like that. So it's like you already did these tests and you got screwed, right? So now they're going to ask you to do the chemical test and you're going to refuse. But now if you refuse these, now you're going to get penalized for it, So it's just so funny, man. These DUI cases are pretty funny, man, because we could typically see, either someone crying or someone getting really mad, and stuff like that. It's just, what does you having a baby, you trying to have a kid, have to do with you going out getting wasted and driving? Like, what does that have to do with anything? And then she says, I got my own business. You're gonna ruin my life. You got you're your own boss. Who the hell is gonna tell you what you if you had to rely on an employer, now that's a little different.
Your right to remain silent has nothing to do with taking the approved chemical test for the purpose of determining the alcohol and or content in your blood. But not to do with anything. It's approved test. Do you want to take the test that I've asked? Can you give me a yes or a no? You want to take the test that I've requested? Okay, determine your lack of responses. Okay.
I want a lawyer.
She said no.
Damn, license revoked for a year.
Notice all the vomit on the driver's side.
Do you mind if I talk to her for like?
That's up to him.
She's super riled up right
but
now.
I will.
I need her just to take a few minutes before I leave. Yes, but just give her a couple minutes, okay? Come on over here because there's a car
Of
coming.
course. I understand. Baby, listen. Baby, stop. Baby, stop. Baby, stop. Listen, I'm the only one that can calm her down. If you can hear any empathy in my voice, I just need to talk to
I
you.
understand, but right now I just need her to breathe and just do that, okay?
I know.
That's all.
I know you're doing the best you can, but she's just freaking out. She has bad anxiety attacks.
I understand.
And she's freaking out.
Let me do what I have to do before I leave.
I get you. Anything I can do to like just talk to her, I'll do it.
Like I said, absolutely. Just give me a couple minutes, okay? Okay. Just make sure you don't put anything in the car.
Put anything in the car?
Yeah. Like
you want my backpack?
No, you're good.
Okay. I just want
make sure you don't reach into the car.
Look at me. You
gotta take your hands away from the window, okay? Just right down here is fine.
I know, baby. It's okay. Look at me. We're gonna get you out. We're gonna bail you out. I'm not gonna bed until you get out, okay?
I'll explain the process so both of you understand.
8 hours.
All right, there's an 8-hour hold.
8 hours.
No matter what, it's 8 hours from now.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm drunk,
So, 8 hours hold.
Baby, you have to
And right now, it's a $500 bond.
I got you, baby. Hey, just be respectful through this whole process. I know, honey. I know it's scary. Just give me a couple minutes, please.
Well, I gotta get going because I'm on the clock.
I know, I get it. Hey, honey, he has to go. But listen, be respectful. I will call your dad, but be respectful to them. Be respectful to them, okay? I know, baby. I know it's scary, but this is the first time she's been arrested, so please be here. Baby, I know, baby. Look at me. Baby, you've been through harder shit than this, honey, and I got your back with your job and with everything else. Look at me. I got your back. We're gonna take care of it.
I do need to go, okay?
All right.
So, her phone, so that you're aware. All right, no.
All right, can't kiss.
All right, so here's the deal. Her phone's turned off. She will be able to give phone numbers out of it at Central Booking.
Yeah.
Okay, she'll be able to call you. She'll
Right.
do all that, okay?
Number out of there.
No, she can't.
No, baby, I'll break into that at WhatsApp, baby. I got you no
All right,
matter what.
All right, have a good one. All right, good night, ladies.
Don't worry. Hey, I got you. I love my attorney!
Eventually, she was arrested and charged with driving under the influence of alcohol. All individuals featured on this channel are...
Yeah, I mean, it's funny because you participate in the tests that you don't have to do, but the ones that you're gonna get penalized for, you end up refusing, and you're cooked for a year. Yeah, they trying to make out and everything, kiss through the window and all types of stuff going on, man. Oh man. So they trying to have a kid, right? And they trying to have a kid. This video is over. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.